boys and girls. Last Tuesday, we invite you to the school gym to a Halloween party. During the Halloween party, we visit the monsters, the vampires, the dead men, the witches, the ghosts. Okay, let's go. Let's start the Halloween walk. Hold the rope and nothing will happen to you. Let's visit the cemetery.
What's this noise? You wake me up. I'm very hungry. We have 280 years old and we die in a war.
This is our favorite night. It's Halloween. Ha ha ha!
You know what is our favorite food? Are children like you. Ha ha ha! Happy Halloween!
Okay, let's go to visit the castle of the goats.
Ooh, hello! I'm a ghost! I'm a terrible ghost! I'm scared to children! Are you afraid of me? Ooh. This is our castle and it is haunting. Do you want to visit? Ooh, what is this noise? It gets me up. Are the children red? I am starving.
Let's visit the monsters. Look, they are scary.
Monsters everywhere, spiders up and down, monsters on my head. Happy Halloween! I'm not scared. I am the most terroristic monster in the world. I am a best monster of Nevada. Let's go to sleep and don't get me up again.
Hello children, do you know that today will be the last day of your life? Oh, what is this? Can you listen noise? Let's open the door.
Trick or treat, give me something sweet to eat.
Trick or treat, give me an apple or a candy too, and I won't play a trick on you.
Here you are.
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Enjoy the Halloween.
See you next Halloween.
Let's visit the witch's house. Be careful. Keep away. We are the witches of Halloween. We make experiments. Our faces are ugly and green. We are bad witches.
We fly out of night. I like potion.
Let's make a magic spell.
Touch your head.
Touch my head.
Touch your nose.
Touch your nose.
Apple.
Become a mouse.
Oh, I'm very hungry. Oh, look, they are children.
I love children meat and I love drinking children's blood like you.